Hi guys, I'm Sam from Lick, and I'm here today to show you how to measure your windows so you can fit some blinds. It's super easy. All you're going to need is a pen and a pad and a tape measure. Let's get started. Once you've decided if you're measuring for an inner recess or an outer recess blind, you just need to take the correct measurements. I'm going to show you first of all how to measure the inner recess of a window. All you need to do is measure the width at 3 points: the top, the middle and the bottom. Once you've measured the width, you just need to take a measurement from the top to the bottom to get the height of the window. If you're opting for an outer recess blind, all you need to do is take your inner recess measurements and decide how far out you'd like the blind to be or how much taller above the window frame. Now you've measured your windows, all you need to do to order your blinds is head to the website, enter your dimensions, select a colour and go.